never seen ducks that look like that before. Me neither. Hey, there are 5 little ducks for 5 little boom buddies.
Uh-oh, looks like the mommy duck has her hands full.
I know. Let's follow the mommy duck and help her keep count of her 5 little ducks. Great idea. This will be fun.
5 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, where did the 5th little duck go?
I have no idea, but I'm gonna go find him.
Good idea, Nico. We'll watch the other 4. 5 little ducks, where do you go? Where do you go when your mom don't know? 4 little ducks went camping one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. Golly! Oh dear, where did the 4th little duck go? She was just right here. Okay, guys, I'll go looking for her. Okay, Wendy, good luck. 5 little ducks, where do you fly? Where do you fly when you say goodbye?
3 little ducks went flying one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 2. Who knew? Uh-oh, not again. Where did that 3rd little duck run off to? I'll go bring him back.
Go get him, Mark. 5 little ducks, where do you go? Where do you go when your mom don't know? 2 little ducks went hiking one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 1 little duck came back. 1, 1. Better run! Oh boy, now where did the 2nd one run off to? I'll go get her, Nathan. You wait here. Okay. 5 little ducks, where do you fly? Where do you fly when you say goodbye? Uh-oh, only 1 little duck left. Don't worry, Mama Duck. I'm sure the Boom Buddies will find them, and they'll all come back soon. 1 little duck went running one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all her 5 little ducks came back. 1, 2,
3,
4.
5.
They're all back! Hooray!
All of the ducks came back to play. Now look how they dance and sway. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. She was glad to have them back.
Phew! All 5 little ducks and 5 little Boom Buddies came home at last.
Yep, but looks like poor mommy duck needs a nap.